Welcome back everyone. In today's session we are going to see question number 4 of exercise 14.3. Hope you all are ready. Let's have a look at the question. The question is about the length of 40 leaves of a plant which are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented. So our intention is to find the median of this data. Let's see how to find median of this type of data. There is a little difference in the classes which you can see here and the classes which you have seen before. Let's see an example of previous questions. In the previous questions, the classes, you can clearly see the classes were continuous, like 1500 to 2000. Then 2000 was repeating, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500. So these were continuous classes. Which classes these were? Continuous classes, or we can say exclusive classes. We can call them as exclusive classes also. Okay, so these are continuous. Now let's come to our question. Do you think these are continuous here? No, these classes are not continuous. These are discrete classes. So the classes are not continuous. These are called inclusive classes. What do we call them? Inclusive classes, or discrete or discontinuous. There are different names. You can remember it. Inclusive or discrete classes, you can say. So when the classes are not continuous, that is inclusive. So you can see here how they are inclusive. How they are inclusive? See here, 118 to 126. Then 127 is coming. The next number is coming. Then 127 to 135, 135, 136 to 144. So the classes are not continuous. Very simple. The whole concept of median is same. The formula remains the same. Only while taking L value, you have to be a bit careful. So let's come to the simplification part. So I'll convert those classes to continuous classes. The classes which were discontinuous, so I'll convert them to continuous. So how to convert them to continuous classes? Very simple. From these lower limits, from these all the lower limits, you should subtract 0.5 minus 0.5 and add 0.5 in the upper limits. In these all the upper limits, you have to add 0.5. Remember the rule. How to convert the classes, inclusive classes to exclusive, or discrete classes to continuous? Very simple. You have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 in the upper limit. So that's all he's doing here now. So you can see here 117.5, 118 was here. There was 118 here. So this 118 is converted to 117.5. So we are subtracting 0.5 from the lower limits, all the lower limits, and adding 0.5 in the upper limits. In all the upper limits, 0.5 is added. So now after doing this, all the classes will automatically get converted into continuous. You can see 126.5, 126.5, 135.5, 135.5. So this is the method we apply for converting discrete to continuous, or inclusive to exclusive classes. This will be very helpful for you when you draw the graph also, because we cannot draw the graph for discontinuous classes. We need to make them continuous, which we have done in 9th class also. Okay, now after doing this conversion, after converting this, the method remains the same. We find cumulative frequency. You know that very well, how we find cumulative frequency. That is 3, then 3 plus 5 8, then 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, 29 plus 5 34, 34 plus 4 38, 38 plus 2 is 40. Zigzag. Okay, we go in the zigzag way to find the cumulative frequency. Now after finding cumulative frequency, we will find all the required values which we need in the formula for finding median. So our formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. L plus, let me change the color. Okay, our formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h Okay, so we have done many questions previously by applying this formula. That's not a big issue for you all. So let's find all these values now one by one. First one. Now few students were having doubt how to begin this after finding n by 2. Your sum of this all frequencies is 40, that is n. So you should begin with n by 2. Okay, you should first find n by 2 in before you find median, before you find all the values. So n by 2 is 20. Okay, what is nearest highest to this value? What is nearest highest to 20 in the cumulative frequency? In this cumulative frequency, what is nearest highest? Or just to remember of a person in your family who is just elder than you, like if you are 15 years, remember of somebody who is 16 years, or remember of somebody who is 17 years, just greater than your age. So same way, this is your age, 20, just greater than 20 in this is what? What is just greater than 20 in this? I can't take 17. 17 is not greater, so I should take what? I should take 29. Very good. So this 29 is just greater than 20, so this will be our median class. Okay, this is our median class. Got it, everyone? So in this median class, what will be L? The lower limit. L will be the lower limit, that is 144.5, and this will be your F, that is frequency of the median class, and this will be your CF, frequency of class, cumulative frequency of class preceding median class, just before median class. And what is our H value in this? If you subtract 135.5 and 126.5, you will get your H value. So what will be our H value here? Just subtract it, 135.5 minus 126.5. So H value will be 9. Okay, so our H value will be 9 in this. Let's go to the simplification part now. So here you can see all the values, n by 2, then median class was this one, then lower limit is 144.5. The cumulative frequency, what was our cumulative frequency here? it's 17 and f is 12. F is 12 and CF is 17. So you can see F is 12 and CF is 17. H is 9. Okay. Now we can substitute this all the values in the formula. Okay. Substituting all the values, L 144.5, n by 2 is 20 minus CF 17 by F is 12 into H is 9. Simplifying this all, first you can cancel it. Okay, you can cancel 3 times 3 4 times. 20 minus 17 is 3, so that 3 multiplies with 3 is 9 by 4. Okay, so carefully you have to simplify it. 9 by 4, you divide that first. What is 9 by 4? Then add it in 144.5, so you'll get 146.75. so this is the way we find median. So only the difference in this method and the previous methods is about L value. Okay, you can clearly see here what L value I have taken. I have taken 144.5. I have not taken 145. Okay, I have not taken 145. I have taken 144.5 to get our answer. Thank you.